So guys, we need to host a website here. So to host a website, to host a web server, we need a computer. The computer can be a server or client and can be in a work group or domain. No problem. It will work. And it required the static IP address. So we need a public IP address if you are hosting the website over the internet. Okay. And we need DNS service. We need zones. We have already created we have installed the DNS service and we have created the zones as well. And guys, we already have this. Okay, we have a server, we have a static IP address, and we have configured the DNS service. Okay, and we need a home directory. What is this home directory? You will create one folder and you will add the web pages in this folder. Then it is called as home directory. So what is this home directory folder? Where we have saved the web pages, and web pages are created by a programmer for our lab. Okay, we will download the web pages, or what we will do, we will create, okay, the web pages. I will show you how to create the web pages. It is very easy for our lab, but if you need the good quality content, then you need to contact the web programmer. And it can be a server, so we already have the server, guys, and it can be in work group or it can be in a domain. So our server is in domain, and we need the static IP address. So we have already configured the static IP address. And DNS we already installed, but home directory we need to create it. So what we will do, we'll create one home folder and we'll save the sites. I will show you how to create the sites as well. So folder where we have we have saved the web pages is called as home directories, and we'll see. And guys, IIS is a service that is used to host the website, and we have not installed this IIS yet. So guys, we need to install IIS to host the website. So how to install the IIS? You will go to the server manager, then you will select this option, add roles and features. Then you will click next, next, and you will verify the server name and IP address, then next, and you will select this option, web server option. In bracket, it is IIS. You will select this option, you will click next. So you need to add the features, then this IIS is selected, then you will click next, next, next. Then here, it will give you the information which services are selected. And what we will do, we will add this HTTP redirection option. We will see what is this redirection option in our lab. Then we'll install. Okay, then let us install the things first, then we'll see how to add the website. So let us install it first. We'll go to server manager, then we'll go to add rules and features. Next, 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 and here we'll check this option, web server, add features, and it is checked. We'll click next, 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 and we'll select HTTP redirection option. Then we'll click next and we'll click install. Okay, it will take few minutes. Okay, let us wait for it. Alright guys, the service is installed. Then we'll host the website. So we'll close it. And if you go to tools, you will find IIS, which means IIS is installed. You will find this option here as well. Let us move forward. Okay, it is installed. After installing the IIS, we can add the website now. So you will go to tools. Under tools, you will open this option, IIS, Internet Information Services Manager. Then you will get this page. So you will expand the server, then you will expand this sites option. You will have the default website, but we need to create our own website. Okay, so how to add the website? You will right click on these sites and you will select this option, add website. Then you will give any name, any meaningful name. So let us give Cisco. Okay, and we need to provide the path. Which path? Of the folder where we have saved the website. So we will create the folder, then we'll provide the path here. And here type HTTP, then you will provide the IP address of your web server like 10.0.0.1 and port number is 80. So here we have given, okay guys, you can give any name here. It is not compulsory that it should be the website name. And you will provide the path of the web pages folder and type HTTP IP address. It is 10.0.0.1 and website name. We need to provide the website name here, www.cisco.com, not the server name. So using this website only, name only, we will access it. And the website, as we have discussed, it is created, but it is not completed. Website is created, guys. You can see here under this IIS, we have this website. But guys, if you see this default document option, we need to add the name here. We need to add the page name. So we'll go to default document and let us say the page name of your website is Cisco Hybrids Workspace Cisco. So you will copy that name and paste it here and you will add the extension HTML or HTML. After adding the name, okay, you will go to this option, directory browsing. This option is disabled by default. We need to enable it. Okay, so after that, here you can see it is disabled. You will select this option, it will be enabled. Then we'll do the verification. We'll open the page. So guys, IIS service is installed. We need to create the website. So we'll go to this PC. We'll go to C. Under this C, we'll create one folder and we'll provide the name websites. Under this websites, we'll create basic web page here. Okay, we need to open the notepad and we'll add some content like www.cisco.com. This is the content and we'll save this file in HTML format. As we have discussed, it should be saved in HTML format, cisco.html. Okay, so if you see here, this page is created. Now we'll delete this notepad. If you open this page, you are getting this content. If you see cisco.com, this is the content. Okay, so when you open cisco.com, you will get this content. Now guys, what we will do, we'll add the website. We have already installed the IIS. We'll go to server manager, then we'll go to tools. Under tools we have IIS manager. We'll go to server. Under the server we'll go to sites. Under the sites you can see it is having only this default website, and we'll create our own website. You will go to sites, right click, add website, then you will provide any name here. So let us provide Cisco, and we'll provide the path to the folder where we have created the Cisco web page. It is in C. Under C we have websites, and we select this option. Okay, the path is selected, and the IP address is 10.0.0.1, and the host name, it will be like www.cisco.com. Then we'll click OK. The site is created, and we need to add the, we'll go to Cisco site and we'll add the page name to this default document. We'll right click here, and you will get this page, default document page, and you will click add here. And guys, what is the page name we have created? Guys, what is the page name we have created?
Cisco.
Cisco. Okay, let me show you. Websites, Cisco. Okay, so what you can do, you can copy if the name is very lengthy, so you will rename, select the rename option, and you will copy and paste. Better to copy and paste. Okay, we have a shorter name, we have given Cisco, so we can directly type it there. But if it is a lengthy name, it will be very difficult for you to type. Okay, there may be, you can make the mistakes as well. So copy and paste is the best option. So cisco.html, then you'll click OK. So in the default document, this page is added. We need to do one more thing. We'll go to this directory browsing option. In the default document, we have added the document. Then we'll go to directory browsing, and if you see here, this option is disabled. We need to enable this option. Now this option is enabled, and we can access the website now. So we'll go to client. It is shut down. So previously we were unable to open this cisco.com website. Now let us try to open. You can see it is opening. We are getting this page. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay, so it is having some other topics like how to redirect the page. Let us say you want to open the Yahoo page when someone tries to open cisco.com, which means we are redirecting the cisco.com to yahoo.com. We'll see how to do that, and we need to see the FTP server as well. So we'll see it tomorrow, guys. 2 to 3 classes are remaining. Okay, so see you tomorrow, guys. Please practice the labs. Any doubt in today's class? Please confirm, guys.
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, please upload the slides.
Yeah. Actually, I had some work yesterday, so I could not upload it. Today I will do it. Okay. Within 1 hour, you will see the videos and the documents as well. Inshallah.
Thank you.
Okay. So see you tomorrow. Take care.